Hello, my mom is here. I'm an entrepreneur, so I'm just spending the morning shipping out some orders. Let's pack these orders together. So I just started doing whatever I need to do for Unique this morning. And of course, my mom prepared a homemade breakfast again. Soup here, and then this is a vegetarian bibimbap. I'm mixing the tofu in here like a paste, and it's gonna give me that extra protein. Tofu. 이건 건강식. 이렇게 먹으면 건강해질까?
당연하지. 너무 건강식이지, 현미밥에.
좀 가르쳐줘. I'm gonna learn how to make this before she leaves. So healthy. Good morning. I'm taking my mom to Restoration Hardware this morning. She is a big fashion interior woman because she used to work in the industry. And I mean, it's not her first time there, but I know she loves the vibe and it's honestly so pretty. So we're gonna take her there, go around meat packing and Chelsea Market because all tourists go there. So let's see where else we'll go today. And we're off to RH. I always bring whoever is visiting New York to RH because I think it's nice that you get to eat here and then view the furniture downstairs. I don't think a lot of restaurants have the space and the concept for it, so I love it here. And the food's honestly pretty good. It's not just a pretty brunch place for Instagram. Do you know what you want to eat? French fries, artichoke. My mom just said, so hungry, can you order everything that you can? So I'm gonna order around 4 or 5 things for us, see how much we can eat. We just finished having lunch at RH. We're just touring around the store because the interior setup is so stunning. Imagine me doing my Unique tutorials for my vlog.
여자 화장품 하는 여자거든. 링도 대표야 이 화장품. 여자가. So in Korea, when the weather is super cold, we eat this dish called Sujebi, which is like a pre-made flour paste dough. And what's important about this dish is the base. So you make the broth for like a few hours, which is what really makes that chef's kiss. And you must eat it with this thing called 다대기, which makes it so spicy, and radish kimchi. And my mom makes the best ones. I suck at making this, but I try to make it when I'm alone because I'm homesick. 맛있다. 맛있어?
시원해.
깨끗하지? 물이 하나도 안 났어?
어떻게 만든 거야?
뭐 나중에 얘기해줄게.
So good. Is it better than the one I made? So different, right?
The one you made was saltier.
Really? Good morning. I just finished working out and my mom went to Italy grocery with Nata and she's now preparing my favorite breakfast, which is pretty simple. The way she makes it is just so good. We have some freshly baked bread this morning. Yeah, dip my bread in this two combination because they're just so good, so simple. Good morning, guys. We just finished shipping out orders and right now we're on the way to OBGYN. It is actually my first time going to an OBGYN ever. I felt like it was a good idea to do it while my mom is in town because she probably knows a lot more. So I'm starting my annuals this year. Never too early. Currently at urgent care because I've been getting rashes, so here's another checkup, like another back-to-back, and then I have an annual tomorrow, so fun week. Well, the vitals seem all normal, so that's a good sign. And now we're just gonna wait to check on rashes and hopefully it's just food allergy. Really hope I don't have to cut out dairy, but I think it's about time that I do because I can't stop reacting to it. Good morning. I'm here at NYC right now for my annual with my mom. A lot more relaxed that I have my mom here. I'm just in the waiting room to be seen. So yeah, everything's moving forward. Keep manifesting. We just finished strolling around Soho. So we're walking over to West Village because I'm taking her to Bouvet. Bouvet actually opened a location in Korea, like I think this month or something. So yeah, asked her to try here and also asked her to try the location in Korea. She can, you know, compare.